Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul that was about $30 or $33 worth. The reason for my trip, how are you guys doing? How is things coming along? It's the end of May, beginning of June at this time, so we are getting ready for a variety of things that's happening. These kids are going to be out of school soon, and they need to be put in summer camp ASAP. Also, other things that are happening is that the kids are doing their little graduation. This is the main reason for this trip. My middle son has a little luau party happening at his school, so I went to go to the store to get that particular thing, but it ended up getting a couple of additional items for other occasions that's also happening in the month of June. So I decided to grab a couple of things and just wanted to show you guys what I got. How are you guys doing? It is June. I hope everybody's doing quite well. I'm just trying to stay afloat at this time, so bear with me. If you guys hear the fan, it's hot in this room, so I need it on. So I do apologize for that. I have 4 bags, and the sum total came up to like $33 with tax. And I'll show you why. I went and I got 2 of these hanging decoration pom-poms in the color white. If you guys see any of my pictures on Instagram, you'll see a nice backdrop for any of the holiday seasons that I create my own DIY project backdrop where all of the family take pictures at every other month. But recently I see some really cool things and I decided to grab those. So I had grabbed 2 of these white pom-poms. I got the vanilla scented wax melt. It smelled nice, so I just grabbed it. I've never used their wax before, so I'm really excited about that. Also, I've seen this beach theme, which I probably would have, I have a lot of cookouts in the backyard for the summer, spring and summer, so I just saw this and I was like, this is super cute. They have the napkins, just this nice little beach theme going. And I just picked up 3 of the items of each set, and they also had a tablecloth. So whenever I do a little cookout with the kids, we'll just spruce up the area, keep it festive for them. And this was just super cute. I got 3 of the items here. Also, they had another theme, which was like a picnic theme, and I got that in the napkin. And I didn't get the tablecloth because I saw the other one that was not together. Here it is. That I thought was super cute. Maybe we'll be using this for 4th of July. Absolutely, the picnic theme, which I just thought was super cute and adorable. So I picked up. These are the wax basket liners. So like for their hot dogs and French fries, I got that for them. And here's the tablecloth. And I just thought that was cute, especially for pictures. I went and got the Kids Crest toothpaste. They ran out of theirs, so they stole mine, and now I don't have any. So I went and got some of the Sensitive Colgate in the Crest Cavity Protection. Remind me I need to go to the dentist very soon. I also started picking up Father's Day cards. So I got one for their grandpa, my father-in-law, the grandpa. I'll get the kids to sign these. And then I got one from my husband. And then I'll be going to New York for a graduation in end of this month, June. And I'm gonna put some money in for graduation for her. She's graduating from high school, right? I got some honey lemon cough drops. The house didn't have any, and nobody is sick at this time, but it's always good just to have these. And I also got my butter ring cookies. These are my favorite cookies that Dollar Tree currently have, and they're good. They're very good. Okay, and that's 2 bags. Oops. Let me just put this back here. This is going to be for the graduation. Isn't this super cute, you guys? That was This was super cute. So I went and got this. I got ketchup because we ran out of them, so I got the Hunt's tomato ketchup. I went and got one of these BPA-free bottles. And some regular simple cups for the kids. Got 6 in a pack. I also got the graduation key ring. Grad, it says 2018. Oh, here it is. All right. So here is the picnic team tablecloth. All right. I'm glad I got it. And here are some of the, they have the wall decorations, which I thought was amazing. So instead of me, you know, struggling to put things together, they already have one set up. So I'm happy about that. They got the whale version, the palm tree version, which is my favorite. It's so therapeutic. And then I got the birds. And then I got the flamingos. So I'm really excited about that kind of find. I'm really excited about that. Alright, and the last bag, I went and got 2 puzzles of the 24. Got to get rid of the other 2 that I have. They got water on them. And this was for my son's little party that he's having. So I went and got him 2 luau's. Just in case one of his friends didn't have one, he'll be able to give one to them too. And there you have it. That is my little medium Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others. I know it's really hot here in Florida. We're sitting at 82 every day. So yeah. Getting ready for graduation and summer camp and summer activities. You guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.